Welcome to Acadmea. Your journey to exam success starts here. In this video, we'll walk you through the examinations and solution bank sections. From the sidebar menu, go to Examinations. Here, you'll find a list of all the exams you've created, along with their key details. You can update the status, edit exam information, or delete an exam as needed. To create a new exam, click on Add Examination. Enter the basic information, add any additional details as needed, and set the status and click on Create Examination. Your exam will then appear in the list. Next, move to the Solution Bank section. Select an exam to view its questions. You can bulk upload questions by clicking on Bulk Upload. Download the template, fill in the required details, and upload the file. Your questions will be visible here once uploaded. To add a question manually, click on Add Question. Enter the basic details, then add the question text along with the answer options and select the correct one. Optionally, you can include a solution and relevant tags. Set the status and click on Create Question. Your question will then appear in the list, and that's how you can efficiently manage examinations and the solution bank in Acadmea. Transform your exam preparation with Acadmea.